order to access and change the Google Hangouts browser extension settings, you have to go over here onto the extension version of Google Hangouts and then go over here onto the top left where you have options. So you can see that there's my status. So I can just go over here and change the status into online, just like this, online here. I'm just going to change that out and you can see that it changes right here. So you have an option to show when you were last active, show which device you were on, like phone, tablet, or computer. So which device you're on. You can mute the notification for certain hours, like 1 hour or 12 hours, 3 days, and even a week right there, so that the notification does not come for certain timing. So if you're working with something, then you can just turn this off. So you can also enable the sound for incoming messages. When someone messages you, you can have the sounds on. You can also enable the ring or disable that out. So if you disable this, you only get a visual cue when someone is calling you. And here's the Hangout App Settings. So start Hangouts app when Chrome starts. If you don't want the Hangout to load up on side when Chrome starts, then you just disable this out. But if you have this in and you use Hangout frequently, it is very handy to have Hangouts app running up when you start up Chrome, because all the messages, all the notification will be there. And as soon as you start up Chrome, what happens is that the other people can call you. The other thing that you have right here is show desktop notification for new messages. So if you're using Windows or Mac, then you get desktop notifications for messages as well. And not just the browser notification. So this is handy to be on. So when someone sends a message, you get a notification on your desktop itself. So you can also show message preview for new messages. So if someone sends a message, then you want a preview of it popping out onto your Windows, then you can turn this on. Or if you want to keep it private, let's say you're on a public space where you don't want other people to see the message right away, then you can just disable this out. Then you have option to convert text into emojis. So if I were to type in emoji text like colon and then everything else, it will automatically get converted into emoji if I were to check this on, but will not if you were to disable this out. So over here on the left side, you can see that you have large icons, but if you want to use denser roster, you can see that you can turn this on and it is much more denser. So if you have a lot of conversations, then you might want to turn this on. So you can archive Hangouts, like you can archive everything out right here, just like this, and you can see that you can access out the archived Hangouts just like that. And you can also go for invites right here. If you have any invites, it'll show up right there. Hidden contacts or block people, you can access it from there and customize the invite settings from here. So you can get notified regarding the invitations. You can go for recommendations or customize, like contacts can directly message you or send you an invitation for with your phone number, with your email address, and everyone else right here. So this is how it works out in Google Hangouts settings in Google Chrome browser extension. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.